Hi everyone, this is Pixel Panda. Today I'm gonna teach you how to use Python to generate a ascii art like this and this. So as we know that the ascii art is basically string, the first thing we need to do is to use 10 different characters to represent from black to white. The next task is to rescale the picture, because ascii art do not need such a high resolution to represent the color. Here the rescale picture is not the same ratio, because there are some space between each line and I want to eliminate this effect. Now I want to introduce pixel. The color of each pixel is made up of 4 elements: red, green, blue, and alpha. The intensity of each pixel will be determined by all of these elements. Then we can easily get this function. It reads every pixel from the image and change it into characters. I use the range wide variable to remap 0 to 255 to 0 to 10, and I use I to record the timing change to the next line. Here is the main function of the program. It opens the original picture and output the ascii string. The result is like this. Now we have a black and white version of the ascii art. Let's jump into colorful version. But before we start programming, there is a big problem here. The terminal will only offer several colors from black to white: black, red, green, yellow, blue, magenta, cyan, and white. So we need to fix this problem. Also, we need to import some library from Colorama. The solution to this problem is to treat pixel color as a 3D vector. The RGB will make the coordinate of this color. Then we need to calculate the distance between each color to pick one that most resembles the original color. And we will have this color distance function. Based on that function, we can choose the closest color from the preset of the terminal. Choose the color with minimum distance and get a terminal controller from 4. So the last thing we need to do is to change the original function and add a character controller before each character. Now that we have a colorful version of the ascii art, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment here. See you next time. Bye.